Welcome to the SSP Tool Line. Today we're going to talk about automatic wire strippers. We offer two unique and different tools: the Super Auto Wire Stripper and the Pistol Handle Automatic Wire Stripper. The Super Auto Wire Stripper has unique steel jaws, self-adjust automatically. The Wire Cutter, precision machine blade, cuts wire easily and smoothly. The Crimper crimps terminals 10 to 22 gauge neatly and tightly. Pistol Handle Automatic Wire Stripper. It strips 12 to 22 gauge single or multiple stranded conductor wire. Automatically adjusts to the wire size, adjustable strip length gauge, and a lightweight and easy to use. And it has a narrow profile to get in those areas that are hard to reach. Two unique and different tools from SSP.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.